Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the first way, which requires a secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So all we have to do is to enter the settings and tap on the About phone, which is at the top of the list. Now let's scroll down and here we have to try at least to find the information. So let's enter detailed info and specs. And I believe somewhere here the IMEI info will be stored. So let's enter the status, which is at the very bottom of the list. And as you can see, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. We have to tap on it to show the exact information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.